Hey, what's up guys? It's Inca 4x4. Let me get out of the wind. Hopefully you can hear me. So basically the situation, and you definitely need to like, comment, and subscribe because I'm going to give you some really good information. So pro tips. I'm going to give you some pro tips because we're in a situation right now that hopefully you don't find yourself in. Let me jump in real quick. These are some photos I took, but at the end of the video, I'm going to go over those tips that I highly advise if you're coming out to the Outer Banks. So stay tuned, stay to the end, and also in the description, I'm going to add some really good information. So bear with me, and hope you enjoy this. Hey, what's up guys? It's Inca 4x4, and we're here at the Outer Banks. I got the Jeep behind me. Miss Cheryl and Anderson already left, but basically we're going to take the Jeep on a ferry. I'm going to show you all that, and yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and you can check out where we're at. I'll tell you about the tackle shop, all the gear I have, the people I'm meeting, and it's just going to be a really nice adventure, so stay tuned. So we're here, and this is a gift shop, and we made reservations. You pay when you pick up. They have really nice, like, all sorts of things. So I highly recommend checking out the Cape Lookout ferry service as opposed to the Davis ferry service. When we had an issue getting off the island, the Davis ferry actually stopped running earlier in the day around like 3 o'clock, and this ferry service actually like ran all the way to I think 9 o'clock on a Sunday, Easter Sunday. So the guys are amazing, and they will take care of everyone. So this right here is just on the boat. I'll just let you know that you pay by the length. So if you have a trailer, it's going to be more expensive. The tackle shop has everything you need as far as like fishing equipment, last minute things you may have forgotten, ice, firewood. I also recommend getting firewood there because as I was driving from Atlanta to the tackle shop to the ferry service, it was actually cheaper at the tackle shop. It was, I think, $7.99 for a bundle, and as I was coming along, it was like $9.99 everywhere at gas stations. I met some really cool people from Knoxville on this. They had trailers, Jeeps, Toyotas. It was just like a really good different crew. All right, so we're getting off. So for the park, you'll need two things. You'll need the permit to get on the island that you need to get in advance. The link's going to be below. And then you need to pay for the ferry. When you're on the island, at the beginning, near the cabins that you can also rent, you need to make sure you throw out your trash there. There's giant dumpsters, so there's no need to like leave trash on the beach. There's the lighthouse. I saw rentals for like paddle boarding and kayaks. There's the homes that people used to live in the 50s and 60s you can go check out. It actually takes a good bit to go from end to end. And besides Cape Lookout, there's other islands. So this is a big place to explore. Lots of driving you can do. And
when, if the food keeps getting ready. Okay, so I was thinking I'd use that wok. I'm gonna keep prepping vegetables for the thingy, saute. Oh, and I brought these little plates. They're nice because they're, they don't crumble and we don't have to throw them away.
Our tent. Yeah, exactly. We can hang out. Yeah.
And then Melissa's got the fireplace going.
Exactly. The fireplace.
That smells so good.
Beach camping. Frying empanadas on the beach. So versatile, that's why I love them. You have a whole meal in a pocket.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Inca 4x4. So I'm just gonna give you a quick tour of camp. This is where we camped out last night. Apologize for the wind. There's the lighthouse if you could see. That's the sun coming up. I'm gonna try to edit a video in the go fast. I already made coffee and all that. And then these are the Jeeps that I camped with, Anderson and Miss Cheryl. And yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, leave a comment below. And this is a Gladiator with a setup. I appreciate you guys. So I think this is where the wind is gonna be the less noisy. So I'm just gonna introduce the crew. We got Miss Cheryl, we got Christine, Karina, Anderson, and this is the Overland adventure to Cape Lookout. And we accidentally lost the Jeep doors, so if someone finds our Jeep doors, they're somewhere on Cape Lookout. Hey, what's up guys? It's Inca 4x4, and in this video right here, I need you to like, comment, subscribe, because I'm gonna give you all the information. We basically almost didn't make it off Cape Lookout. If you want to know everything about coming out to this island and everything you need to know that's important, stay tuned, because there's, besides the bugs, there's more to this island that you need to know. Like, look at that shit. There's more to this island besides just the bugs. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you on the next one. So this is Christine, this is Miss Cheryl, and we're boozing it up because let me get out of the wind. Let's get. This is Anderson, and I'm gonna get out of the wind here. But basically, what we're gonna give you a pro tip about is, besides the bugs, because everyone talks about the bugs here, everyone talks about the bugs, is the ferry service. There's pretty much two ferry services, the Davis and the one that we're on. I'll put all the stuff in the links in the mess at the bottom. But when you plan your trip, I would almost give yourself an extra +1 or 2 days, because the weather is so unpredictable here. And what happens is, if they're not running the ferries, then this is gonna happen to you, where you are lined up to try to make it off the island. So if you got a work thing or something, you're not gonna be able to make it. And then how fast, bring liquor, definitely.
Bring a lot of.
And definitely the wind.
Right. It's a great adventure to do Cape Lookout, but the problem is, like Lewis said, it's very unpredictable in terms of the weather. I mean, every day the weather has changed. But again, it's a great trip. You'll have a great time. It's a lot to see on this island, but you got 3 things you're dealing with: wind, weather, the bugs. There are these giant greenhead flies, and just
people mention the bugs all the time, but I feel like I didn't see anyone mention the winds, the ferry service. So in the video, you have to get the permit, you have to get the ferry service. And the ferry service, the other thing that I don't think people mention is that it's not like you reserve it, but you don't pay anything up front. So it's very like, you get here, they'll let some people get in front of you, or you might get in front of your time. So, and it's by the length of your vehicle. So if you're bringing a trailer, or like you have a Gladiator that's longer, it's going to be more money. So yeah, these are kind of the tips I'm gonna offer to you. If you're going, every day that we've been checking the weather, we plan this trip out maybe like 3-4 weeks in advance, and every day's been changing. Like, it's gonna rain, not gonna rain, and it was pretty much great. Besides the wind, and then we had like an hour of rain that just was kind of rough.
Right.
And so definitely make sure the gear you bring is wind resistant and it'll withstand the wind, stakes and all that. And definitely plan your trip accordingly, because there may not be a ferry tomorrow and we may have to stay here when we, had plans to leave, but that may not be our situation. So hopefully this tips work, and we all had fun. It's an adventure. So that's definitely it. It's an adventure. Yeah. And it's beautiful out here. I mean, I know it's going to be raining later on, but it's beautiful right now.
Who said you can't enjoy empanadas on the beach? Look at this view. We're on a beach, cooking empanadas. How versatile is that? Just think about it. To all my overlanding friends, Jeep campers, Jeepers, Overlanders again, hey, reach out to us, man. We're doing big things with Azado's Empanada Kitchen. You can find us at My Azados on Instagram. MYAZADOS. Again, empanadas everywhere, and we ship around the country.
Oh, it came back and got me.
Oh my God. Empanadas by the beach.
You like the salad?
What are you doing this Saturday? Come hang with us.
Oh, you did the artichokes.
Oh my goodness. This is the most delicious empanada I think I've ever had in my entire life. I just tried the chicken. This was the beef. It was so delicious. I'm going to try the shrimp right now. Oh my goodness. The crust, the flavors, the explosion of the flavors that happen inside of your mouth. It's like a party.
Just tell us what you think.
Let me just tell you guys, these empanadas right here are the bomb. The flakiest, creamiest, cheesiest, several flavors. Like, you cannot ask for a better empanada. This is just perfect.
Which one are you eating right now?
This one is the creamy cheese, I believe.
I think it was that's the chicken, actually.
The
right?
chicken?
Yeah.
And then I have the beef. All of them are just bangers.